Hey Sunshines! Today I thought I would take you on a little journey with me while I tackle a big project I've been meaning to do for a really long time, which is completely reorganizing my kitchen. It's probably going to take a couple days, so this will be day one. I'm just going to do a whole bunch of cleaning and kind of assess what I need in terms of organization, and then hopefully on another day I'll come back and organize it all. So that being said, let's jump into it. Okay, so at this point I'm done most of the basic cleaning. Next step is to take everything out of the cupboards and figure out what I'm keeping, what needs to go, and what needs better storage. Well, good morning and welcome to day 2. Last night I had plans to go out with my friends, so I had to put my project on hold for a bit, but that's okay. I knew it was going to take lots of time anyways. Today the plan is to finish emptying out all of the cupboards and then going through everything I've taken out and figuring out what I'm keeping, what I'm tossing, and how best to organize it all. So let's get to it. actually exhausted now. So that's everything emptied out. Now it's just a matter of going through everything I took out of the cupboards. So welcome to my kitchen floor. This is where I'm currently hiding from the giant mess that I've made directly behind this camera. This is the less glamorous side of minimalism. I'm just taking a break for a minute to try to figure out how I'm going to tackle everything. So now the game plan is to find the right storage solutions for everything. I really like the Korken series jars at IKEA, so I took note of their dimensions and volume and started a list of what I would need to store each of my dry goods that I want to decant. So that is it for now. I've ordered what I need and just have to wait for the rest of the supplies. So stay tuned for a second part of this kitchen organization. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.